इसमें प्रैक्टिस के लिए आपको क्वेश्चन सुनाई देगा और राइट योर आंसर, जब आंसर आएगा तो उसमें बोला जाएगा राइट योर आंसर। उसके पहले आप क्या करेंगे, ऐसे एक पेज लेंगे और अपने 28 नंबर्स डाल लेंगे। ठीक है, जैसे क्वेश्चन सुनाई देता है आपको और वहां बोला जाएगा राइट योर आंसर, तो आप अपना राइट आंसर यहां पे लिख लेंगे। ठीक है, फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा, तो आप अपने सारे आंसर लिख लीजिए और लास्ट में आपको आंसर भी सुनाए जाएंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आंसर, इस अपने आंसर मिला लीजिए। यदि आपके सही आंसर, सारे आंसर सही हैं, वेल डन, नहीं तो दोबारा प्रैक्टिस करें।
Page number 17, medium speed. Answers in the end. Start. Please write down 1 to 28 numbers to right answers, so you can check your answers in the end. Start. Question number 1. Start. 18. 2. 19. Answer is, write your answer. Question number 2. Start. 99. Minus 85. 15. 12. 51. Answer is, write your answer. Question number 3. Start. 59. 28. 11. Answer is, write your answer. Question number 4. Start. 68. 12. 9. 6. Minus 65. Answer is, write your answer. Question number 5. Start. 58. 2. 2. Answer is, write your answer. Question number 6. Start. 79. 12. Minus 20. 9. 15. Answer is, write your answer. Question number 7. Start. 69. 8. 9. Answer is, write your answer. Question number 8. Start. 18. 12. 4. 6. 8. Answer is, write your answer. Question number 9. Start. 59. 12. 8. Answer is, write your answer. Question number 10. Start. 19. 2. 9. 19. Minus 38. Answer is, write your answer. Question number 11. Start. 69. 12. Minus 61. Answer is, write your answer. Question number 12. Start. 58. 12. 9. 19. Minus 75. Answer is, write your answer. Question number 13. Start. 8. 2. 8. Answer is, write your answer. Question number 14. Start. 68. 2. 9. 6. 5. Answer is, write your answer. Question number 15. Start. 9. 2. 9. Answer is, write your answer. Question number 16. Start. 78. 2. 9. 9. Minus 66. Answer is, write your answer. Question number 17 start. 70. 9. 2. Answer is, write your answer. Question number 18 start. 78. 12. 9. Minus 49. Minus 50. Answer is, write your answer. Question number 19 start. 88. 2. Minus 50. Answer is, write your answer. Question number 20 start. 8. 2. 7. 15. 8. Answer is, write your answer. Question number 21 start. 8. 2. 9. Answer is, write your answer. Question number 22 start. 90. 8. Minus 30. 22. Minus 80. Answer is, write your answer. Question number 23 start. 78. 2. Minus 60. Answer is, write your answer. Question number 24 start. 68. 2. 6. 5. 9. Answer is, write your answer. Question number 25 start. 18. 12. 3. Answer is, write your answer. Question number 26 start. 83. 6. 2. Minus 90. 19. Answer is, write your answer. Question number 27 start. 58. 2. 11. Question number 28 start. 9. 12. 2. 7. 52. Please check your answers. Question number 1 start. Answer is 39. Question number 2 start. Answer is 92. Question number 3 start. Answer is 98. Question number 4 start. Answer is 30. Question number 5 start. Answer is 62. Question number 6 start. Answer is 95. Question number 7 start. Answer is 86. Question number 8 start. Answer is 48. Question number 9 start. Answer is 79. Question number 10 start. Answer is 11. Question number 11 start. Answer is 20. Question number 12 start. Answer is 23. Question number 13 start. Answer is 18. Question number 14 start. Answer is 90. Question number 15 start. Answer is 20. Question number 16 start. Answer is 32. Question number 17 start. Answer is 81. Question number 18 start. Answer is 0. Question number 19 start. Answer is 40. Question number 20 start. Answer is 40. Question number 21 start. Answer is 19. Question number 22 start. Answer is 10. Question number 23 start. Answer is 20. Question number 24 start. Answer is 90. Question number 25 start. Answer is 33. Question number 26 start. Answer is 20. Question number 27 start. Answer is 71. Question number 28 start. Answer is 82. Thank you.